Okay, so solve natin 'tong problem sa HG, no, under open channel. Rectangular flume of most efficient proportion has a base width of 3 meters. So, drawing ba natin, no? Okay. Ito yan, 3 meter lang, rectangular. And yung flow rate binigay na 2.7 m³ per second. If the same material, okay, were used for the most efficient trapezoidal section, by how much water would the carrying capacity be increased? So, okay, so basically, idea nito is from rectangular section, same material yung gagamitin natin, no? Then, ita-transform natin siya into a most efficient trapezoidal section. Then, i-solve natin yung capacity increase. So, sabihin from 2.7 mag-i-increase siya. Then, ayun yung napahanap sa tanong. Okay, so paano yung solve, no? So, take note na kapag ka most efficient na rectangular section, yung ating dito, depth, okay, ay ang relationship na sa width ay yung base width natin ay equal sa 2 times b. Okay? So, solving for the depth, so 3 is equal to 2d. Therefore, d is equal to 3 over 2 or 1.5 meter. Okay? So now, we can use that, recall natin yung Manning formula. No? Recall the Manning's formula. Okay? Okay? Ano ba yung Manning formula? That's Q over A is equal to 1 over N S raised to 1 half R raised to 2/3. So, kay where yung R natin, di ba, equal siya sa area over wetted perimeter. Okay? So, sabi dito, same material, no, yung gagamitin sa trapezoidal section, meaning, yung perimeter ng rectangular section natin ay yun din yung perimeter ng trapezoidal section. Okay? So, now, solve natin yung perimeter. Sum lang siya ng side. So, 3 plus 1.5 times 2 kasi dalawa eh. That is equal to 6 meter. Area natin, that is 3 times 1.5. That is equal to ilan to? 4.5 meter squared. Tama. Then, plug in na natin. Ano na lahat ng values? We have 2.7 over 4.5 is equal to S raised to 1 half over N times 4 over 5 over 6 raised to 2/3. So, ito yung unknown natin. No? Okay? So, ito yung unknown natin kasi ito rin yung gagamitin natin sa trapezoidal channel kasi nga, di ba, same material. Okay? So, yung slope at roughness coefficient niya, same na. Okay? So, solve natin. 2.7 over 4.5 x, let ko lang to as x, no? 4.5 over 6 raised to 2/3, no? Then, cheap solve natin. Ayan. So, i-let ko lang to as A, no? Store natin siya sa A. Yan. Okay? So, now, anin naman natin, drawing natin yung trapezoidal channel. Okay, sabi, di ba, same material. Okay? Same material daw, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung perimeter ng ating rectangular channel, ayun din yung perimeter ng rectangular is equal sa perimeter ng trapezoidal. Okay? So, di ba, ang perimeter ito is 6 meters. So, 16 dapat to. Kaya lang, sabi, most efficient trapezoidal section. Okay? Ang most efficient trapezoidal section, kung ito yung base natin, ito yung sides. No? Ang relationship niyan ay yung base natin ay equal lang sa side. No? Ibig sabihin, itong tatlong to, na sides natin equal. Ibig sabihin, makakonclude natin na, di ba tatlo yan? So, 3b is equal to sa total perimeter na 6. Therefore, yung base natin ay 2 meters. No? Big, parehas yan, 2, no? Okay? And another thing is, yung side slope natin ay 60 degrees, no? Parehas yan. Okay? So, now, masolve na natin yung depth, no? So, ito yung side slope. 60 to. Okay, for most efficient ang trapezoidal section. Sa side natin ay 2 meter. Ito yung depth natin and ito yung x. Okay, so, from, masolve natin yan. X natin ay 1 meter. Yung D natin ay square root of 3 meters. Hindi ko na siya ipapakita kasi nga simpleng triangle lang naman yan, 'di ba? So, katowa ka lang, ito yung makukuha mo. Okay? So, now we can solve for the area. Ano bang area ng trapezoid? 1/2. Base 1 natin yung 2. 2, 'di ba? Kasi nga, yung B natin ay 2. So, yung base 2 natin, 'di ba? So, yung nakuha ating x1. So, ibig sabihin, itong part na 'to, x yan, ito din, x, no? 'Di ba? So, sabihin 2 plus 2x, which is yung ano natin, x natin 1. So, sabihin 2 plus 2, that's 4, no? So, 1/2 times 2 plus 4, 'di ba? Base 2 natin, 'di ba? Ito 4 meter 'to nasa taas. Ito 2 meters. Times yung depth natin na square root of 3. So, ilan 'to? 3 root 3 meters squared na. So, ayan, madali naman siya, 'di ba? 6/2, 3, then times root 3. Perimeter natin, that is equal to 6 meter, no? Okay, so now, plug in lang natin dito. Sumana yung formula. Copy ko lang ito. Okay. Solve natin yung Q, no? So, Q over area, 3 root 3 is equal to ito. In-store natin to kanina sa A, di ba? Itong values na to. In-store natin yan sa A. Then, R natin, area, 3 root 3 over perimeter raised to 2 terms. So, masolve natin yung Q, no? Ayan. So, i-unknown natin dito yung Q over 3 root 3 times equal yung A natin, naka-store yung ano, di ba? Value over 6 raised to 2 thirds. Shift solve. 3.4314 3.4315. Okay, so anong unit niyan? M cube per second. Okay, hindi pa yung sagot kasi nga, ano bang tinatanong? By how much would the water carrying capacity be increased? So, ibig sabihin, di ba, ang original niya 2.7. Ngayon, nung sa rectangular section yun, ginawa mong trapezoidal, naging 3.43. So, ibig sabihin, ang increase natin is equal to 3.4315 minus 2.7. Therefore, yung ating sagot ay minus mo lang to ng 2.7. 0.7315. 7315 m cube per second. Ito na yung ating sagot, no? Okay, 0.73. Okay, so titingnan natin yung choices. Anong letter yun? Okay, letter D, no? 0. Ayan. 0.73. Okay, so ganun lang naman yung pag-solve natin, no? Open channel, no? So, basta ang concept lang dito is most efficient na rectangular section, B is equal to 2B. Then kapag most efficient na trapezoidal, yung side slope ay equal dun sa length ng base. Tapos yung sloping angle mo ay 60 degrees. Then, just use the Manning's formula to solve for the unknown, no? Yung Q. Okay, so yun na naman siya. So, thank you for listening. Tuloy po natin sa susunod.